guys, it's your girl Aunt Samantha, and in today's video I am coming on here to do a Sephora haul for you guys. I really want to venture out of my comfort zone and try new products for you guys, so I decided to get some products from Sephora. So this is what the box is looking like. It says Sephora on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. So that's what the box is looking like on the inside. I'm just gonna take out the bubble wrap and I'm gonna show you guys what I got in here. Here is the first product that I got. So this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio, you guys. I've been wanting this for so long. So in this trio, you have the color Cinnamon, Espresso actually, and Suede. So if you can see that, that's what that looks like. I really want to try these products. I've been obsessed with the regular Fenty foundation, so I really just want to see what the hype is about with all of these. I know I'm super late, but again, better late than never. So yeah, I picked these up. Up next is just my go-to mascara, and this is from Make It Forever, and this is in the Smoky Extravagant. This is not the waterproof one. I don't really like waterproof mascaras because I feel like they take forever to get off, but that is just in the black color. So I caved, you guys, and I bought the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've been seeing this in so many videos and I really just wanted to see the hype about it. I've watched so many YouTube videos on it. Let me just open it up. Ah! So this is what it looks like. I cannot, this is something that I really want to try. I want to see if it really is as amazing as people say it is. I mean, I don't really have oily skin, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work on my skin, but it also has hemp-derived cannabis extract. So it also says it has a shot of blue agave to hold makeup all day for a super fresh finish, and it has aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins to boost skin for a healthier looking base, and it's oil-free, silicone-free, green tinted formula that goes on clear to work across all skin tones and types. So I'm excited about this. Up next, I got just the Fenty concealer, and this is in the color 430. I'm just gonna put on some more lip gloss because I feel like my lips are not doing so well right now. Like, they just look chapped and not cute. There's a hair in my mouth. Anywho, moving right along. The next product in this box is from Tatcha. I have never used this product, but this was a free sample. So in here is the deep cleanse and the water cream, and as I said, these were just sample products. I'll go ahead and open those quickly so you guys can see. So that's what the deep cleanse is looking like. This is again a sample size, and it's so cute. And this is what the water cream is looking like. So that is that. This was also a free sample, and this is the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. So that's that. Oh, this is godsend. This is what I've been needing, and this is the Anastasia eye primer. My eyelids are literally the only piece of skin on my body that is oily, and of course it has to be my eyelids, but I always have creasing, and I probably have some creasing right now. So I really am excited to try this eyeshadow, this eye primer. So that is it, you guys. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see certain looks with these products, or you have anything else that you want to recommend, definitely comment down below and I will reply back to you guys. But I really hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, and share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. But I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles!